If you're trying to sell something to somebody, you got to do it with the right intention.
Oh, thanks for this awesome menu.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
So I'm actually waiting at the airport right now. Just went to this store called Pavers, England. Wanted to share this quickly idea. So I was seeing a pair of shoes, nice, but I don't wear a lot of ethnic wear. So that shoe basically is like the one that you wear, in ethnic parties or when you wear ethnic. So the lady was very insistent about selling me that, and I understand that selling is good when you do it with the right intention. It was 11,000 rupees. And I was seeing it and I liked it, but I wore it and it was comfortable, but I understood that it does not have a lot of utility for me because I don't wear ethnic dresses. And she was consistently telling me that no, you can wear it with anything, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with jeans. I was like, it's an ethnic kind of shoe. So she was very desperate to sell me those things and I didn't feel very positive about it. So I said, hey, thank you for showing me this, but I don't think I want to buy today. And immediately her response was, okay. And she was not very happy anymore. So a couple of lessons for that for you. Number one, this applies to you in your personal life, in any kind of communication. If you're trying to sell something to somebody, you got to do it with the right intention. If you're trying to sell an idea and if you're trying to tell your boss to give you a promotion and you are very happy, yeah, I won the promotion, and the boss doesn't give, and you're like, okay, fine. If you show anger in rejection, it validates their decision that, yeah, you shouldn't have got that position, right? So when I said, no, I don't want to buy, and if she still said, okay, no problem, thank you so much, we look forward to seeing you again, I would look forward to coming back again, maybe next time. Because if you're talking about something and if people don't agree with you and if you get furious or if you get ungrateful, people are not going to give you a second chance. So you should have gratitude, whether you are selling high-level programs, whether you're selling SaaS, software as a service, you're selling anything, you're selling an idea, you're selling yourself to a job, in a job interview. Even if they say no, even if they choose not to take your advice or proposal, thank them nicely. Say, hey, no problem, I understand, thank you, I look forward to meeting you again. That gratitude actually plays off in the long term. So that's my tip right now.
For the champions, for the champions.